Alright, I'm going to do a tri-tip today instead of a brisket. It's a lot quicker and it's good stuff. I'm just going to trim this little bit of Alright, so I'm going to marinate it just a little bit with a little bit of Dale's. And I always season my beef with fajita seasoning. Now, some coarse black pepper, some seasoned salt. Got some B&B I'm gonna use. I'm usually a Kingsford guy, but I've been listening to Country on here, so I'm gonna try it first time. Basket here. I don't need that much. Got about that much charcoal in here. Got me actually Kingsford charcoal bag piece soaked in oil. There. This is how I clean my grill grate, oil balled up. Alright, so I'm going to take that to about 165-ish, I guess, and then I'll wrap it. Depending on what, I'm trying to see if I can build a bark on that. Okay, so far we're at 163, almost there, and I'll pull it. That's what it looks like right now, but we're going to wrap it. Alright, so that's about as far as I think it's going to wrap it now. Alright, that's not quite what I had in mind when I tried this. I've done this before and it turned out a whole lot better. My fire was not very hot. So I'm just going to wrap it and put it back out there. Okay, so the biggest difference I noticed in this B&B charcoals, it burns a whole lot slower than I'm used to. So my cooking time is increased and the temperature is lower. By now, normally it would be done. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Looks good. Not too bad looking. This doesn't have the bark I was hoping for. Could be a little bit more tender, but looks pretty good. Each in a small piece. Really good flavor.